Good morning, my name is Lexus and welcome to my vlog. Today we're going to start our weekly vlog. I am now on my way to work. This vlog, I'm starting it now. I had a vlog earlier, but I just realized that was a terrible vlog that I was about to post. I didn't post it. I had to delete it because I was like, no, this is not gonna work, and I just want to give out quality. So today is August 25th, Saturday, and I have to work 8 to 12 today, a quick shift. It's 8:30 right now. I have to be at work before 9. I'm gonna be productive today. I'm gonna get things done. I want to deep clean. Well, I'm not going to deep clean. Well, yes, I am. I'm going to clean my house. I'm going to focus on the kitchen, the bathroom, and the living room, and then I'll do the bedrooms tomorrow. But definitely kitchen, bathroom, and living room today. I'm going to take the kids to the park because it's been a while, and I want to do something. I'm probably going to buy them like bubbles and chalk as well. And then I'm probably going to make some I have to grocery shop. There's a few things I have to do today. I have to grocery shop, and now I'm back to budgeting, and my budget for this week for groceries is $150, so that's gonna be fun. I do want to make a sub, so that should be affordable. Just getting bread, ham, cheese, that should be fine, and make it look all good and fancy. What else? I'm just excited. After this week, we're gonna be in September. Yeah, and my son's birthday is next week Sunday, so I'm excited about that. What else? And what else are we gonna do? That's all I could think of. And then I have a trip coming up. I'll tell you guys later, not right now, when it's closer. No, actually, I'm gonna just do a vlog about the trip. That's it. But yeah, so continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys when I get to my job. I forgot to tell y'all, I am calorie counting. I can only eat 1,400 calories per day and still be able to lose weight and reach my goal weight. I should reach my goal weight in January if I stay consistent with my calorie counting. Hold on, I gotta get over because these people don't like to let people over. So right now for breakfast I have a bagel, a plain bagel. It's 250 calories, and then I have cream cheese on it, which is 90 calories. So 2 tablespoons is 90 calories. So I use an app to count my calories, because ain't nobody got time to be writing it down or taking notes. I just scan the barcode on the items, or you can manually type it in, and that's how it counts your calories. And then once you log all of your calories, well, your food that you eat, and then you reach your goal, whatever, it tells you the estimated time frame of when you will reach your goal. And it's looking like January, which is perfect because that's my birthday month. So that's perfect. And your girl's gonna be older. That's all I'm gonna say. My age will be older, however, I don't look my age at all. So I'm happy about that. Alrighty guys, all right, we'll see you later. Let me eat. I made it to my job. I'm parking in the parking lot. So I'm eating my bagel. I'm the only one here. That's fun. I'm thinking about recording a little bit of what I do. Yeah, I'm gonna record a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Because it's Saturday, there's less staff. The doctor I'm working with today, she's an amazing doctor, but she works so slow. When it comes to well visits, she takes like an hour. Whereas the other doctor takes like 15 minutes, maybe 30 if it's like challenging. But this started to take an hour. 45 minutes or an hour. So I hope they didn't put a lot of well visit under her schedule. But the sick patient, she be going through them real quick. It's 8:39. I'm excited for today. I can't wait to see my kids' faces when I buy them bubbles and chalk. I love my car. But it's so plain. I need to add something, I don't know. Well, no, it's still a baddie. Well, my car's always been a baddie. But it's so plain. I don't have to pay my car note in 2 months. I'm crazy. I don't have to pay in 2 months. I don't feel like going inside. Y'all, the cream cheese is good. However, I wish I had the whipped cream cheese, the one that spreads easily. Oh my God, those are the best. This cream cheese, you gotta, like, oh my goodness. And I done toasted the bagel, so that doesn't help. But I need to look for whipped cream cheese or the spread one. And strawberry. That one is, oh my gosh, strawberry cream cheese is so good. All right, you guys, let me go inside. Okay, you guys, I'm at work. So the first thing I do is a clock in, of course, and then get some gloves. I'm trying to cover my name from showing my name, my job name for my scrubs. Get some gloves and then wipe my area down with cabbie wipes. That's the first thing I do. And then just wipe it down the house. Oh, you can't even see me wiping it down or whatever. Right. Okay, so I'm looking at my schedule and this is all I have for now, which is not true. It's only 3 people. I'll show you how much patients we actually have for that day. So this is the lab section right here. I'm just going to turn the machine on. This is to check for flu. And this is to check for COVID. Oh. All right. Then I'm going to go to the fridge. I'll take these out. That's to check for strep. And then there's the culture. Hold on. And then let me put like 3. Yeah, these should be okay. This is to check for urine. It's turning on. And this is our CBC machine. So this was my first patient of the day. They weighed 58 pounds, 101 temperature, fever, chills, runny nose and pain when urinating. So I did a COVID, flu, and strep test on them. I might do a urine test. I'm trying to see what the doctor will say, but this is our first patient. This too, like this. Let's see if I could bring it. Oh no, y'all can't see it. Anyway, yeah, that's good enough. You put your drop. After you put your drops, this is how it looks. You grab the test strip, this swab. Kind of like to mix it in just in case. You put, swirl it in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let it sit for 1 minute. 1 minute. Period. While that's sitting, you grab the culture. You put the patient's name and then you swab. Like this. Alright, cool. That's that. But I always put it back in here. And now I'm gonna write the patient's name. I usually write their name, but since I'm recording, you know. Cool. So that's done. I'm gonna get the COVID and flu ready. Cool. The time went off. So you kind of wring it out. Oh, this is a terrible. Okay, so you just squeeze and then you turn while you're still squeezing like this. And then it looks like that. That's how this swab looks now. Put it back in here. And then you put the touch strip. Put it in here. You let that sit for 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Well, start counting. Now I'm going to do the other test, which is COVID and flu. Okay, you guys, so my timer went off. And you see 2 lines? When you see 2 lines, that's positive. So the patient is positive strep. See it? 2 lines. Positive strep. I'm still going to run a COVID and flu. So you see how that's loading up. We want it to be full. And this is loading up as well. We want it to look full. Okay? So I put this test, it's fully loaded, and I'm gonna put it inside the machine so the machine can read it. It takes 15 minutes for the machine to read the COVID. This was the patient results. I had showed the doctor and she wants to do a culture, so this is how we do a culture. Hold on. This is the test, and this is the thing that vacuums the urine inside the tubes. So example, hold on. You put this in like this. Don't push on into the, this is inside the urine. Okay, and push down now. Perfect. And then it will stop once it's full. Like that. And we discard the pee. The patient requested Tylenol, so this is how our Tylenol looks. It takes disgusting. He weighs 58 pounds, so he gives 10 ml. Oh, that's really disgusting. 10 ml. This is like that. Fill it up. There you go, 10 mLs. Good luck to him. This tastes disgusting. Alright. I'm gonna cash over my patient. I might show you guys one more and then that's it. So the patient test I ran tested positive for flu A. He is negative for COVID though. So the patient tested positive for flu A and strep. So now I'm putting it in the computer. Flu A positive. Flu B negative. And then COVID, we're gonna put negative. Okay. And then I have to put the urine result. I did not put the urine result. Everybody's coughing. Sometimes I think I pick the wrong pill. Okay. Clean the room. One glove will do it for the room. Okay, you guys, I am off work. I'm so excited. Finally, now I am on my way home to get my kids. It looked like it's about to rain, which really sucks. I really wanted to take them to the park today, but we'll see. I really want to take them to the park. I got my umbrella because I left it. What is this car doing? I need to get over. You're going like a snail. That car looked like it was trying to come towards me. I'm so happy it's the weekend. I can finally celebrate. Finally, Jesus. I can't wait to be full-time in my career. I'm going to remember this. I'm going to remember recording and just going back and forth to work. No. Give me a year or two, your girlfriend will be full-time YouTuber. I'm going to be a full-time YouTuber. Give me a 1 year or 2 years. I'm going to hold myself accountable. Every week I'm putting out a video. Every week. And then once I get in the habit, then I'm going to do 2 videos a week. We're going to see. But right now I'm going to do once a week. I'm super excited. I really am. I gotta go to Dollar Tree. First, I need to go to the house, and then I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and then get like bubbles for the kids because they're gonna finish that like the same day, or chalk. Get them energized, get them busy, tire them out. I can't wait. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, did I left my cup? I left my cup at my job. I don't want to drive back. Whatever, we have water at the house. I just really like that water bottle because it keeps my water cold. It's all right. It's all right. We'll get it Monday. It's fine. I'm so excited for the weekend. I have to go grocery shopping. I'm gonna go to Aldi's, buy a few things. We don't need a lot. Just got, you know, add a few things, snacks. I have to go get some bread. Oh, I'm so excited to be off work, get things done, you guys. This car, so slow. We gotta get to our destination, people. And we won't be getting there traveling 10 miles per hour. Well, we will get there. It's just gonna take us way longer than we need it to be. You have your signal on, but you're not turning. So y'all, we have the AC company replacing the whole entire AC unit. It's a 6-hour drive, so there's like stuff all over the house. I can't leave to do my errands until they can leave, which they won't be done until like I think another hour or two. Here's my daughter with me. They was eating checkers, and here's my son right here. Oh my God, the fire alarm is ringing. I had to literally run down here to the ice cream truck because the people is still fixing the AC at our house. Nyla's eating ice cream. Junior have an ice cream in his hand. I got ice cream and snacks. I was like, no, we need to get something. And it's going. We had a lot to go. I'm gonna order pizza because now I have yet to go grocery shopping because these people are still with the AC. Junior, get on the sidewalk, please. I haven't gone grocery shopping. Sidewalk. I haven't gone grocery shopping. I haven't gone to get the chalk and bubbles. But I did get them ice cream, so they will be okay for now. I haven't gone to the park because I don't want to leave these people at the house, but I have to leave really quick to get the ice cream. You guys, they finally finished with replacing the AC. What? 7-8 hours later. And that threw my whole schedule off. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna just take the kids to Dollar Tree so they could pick out some chalks and some bubbles, and then I'm gonna take them to the park. And then once I finish taking them to the park and stuff, I'm gonna clean the living room, kitchen, and bathroom today, and then clean the bedrooms tomorrow. I done said it like 3 times. I'm sorry, y'all. It's just so much been going on. The AC has been replaced. I'm so happy because the AC kept giving us problems. And we told the people, listen, our AC not working again. And we can't have this in this summer. It's the temperature. Who gonna be in this hot house? 100 plus. Not I. Not I. I can't. Give me winter. All right, so I'm waiting for my daughter to finish whatever she's doing. She's eating ice cream. I'm wearing this. This is from Janella, all cleaned up. And in the back says, look responsible. Something like that. Super cute. This is my daughter, Nyla. Y'all know that. She always want to be on video, on camera. This one always camera ready. Junior don't want to be on camera. Junior gonna be like, no. Watch. Let's see. Junior. Let's see how he does. He gonna be like, no. Junior. He probably mad at me because he was beating up his sister earlier while I was talking to the AC guy, telling him thank you. This is what my kids do. They act up when people's here. Junior! See, he doesn't even want to come. He mad at me, y'all. But anyway, let me get this ready. I need to get my tents darker. You know, I try to keep these tents on the car, but I can't do it. Getting in this car was really painful. I have leather seats and my goodness, it hurts so much. Everything, and I got shorts on. Okay, I'm on my way to Dollar Tree. I hope they have this stuff because this will be a plane trip. Or I'll just end up going to $5. I need to oil my scalp. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Put the AC on. Ooh, like, look at that. You saw the difference? Like, we need dark. We need dark. The thing is, though, at nighttime, it'd be a little too dark. It'd be a little too dark, and you gotta be like this or put your window down to see at nighttime. But it keeps the car cool. It keeps the car cool. I really burnt myself. I felt like I burned my elbow just now. That really hurt. Oh my goodness. I don't even know if y'all can even hear me. I have the AC blasting because it's too hot for this. What's the temperature? 95. It feels like 2000. I can't. Y'all, I still have these raggedy nails. I still have these raggedy nails on. I'm going to get them done tomorrow. Just let them breathe. I honestly want to get them like completely done, but no, I'm not doing that. I'm going to just let them breathe, clear polish, call it a day, because my nails, they need a break. I'll get them done soon, but not right now. A lot. Oh, let me lower the. Look at this car. How would they do that?
What? Why would they do that?
People just do what they want to do, Nyla.
What would they do?
I don't know. Okay.
Oh, it's called Subway.
We're not going to Subway.
Some subs I don't like, and then it makes my stomach really hurts.
Okay.
That's what I do. It's not Subway. It's another one, and it had red letters on the paper and the wrapper, and then it's white.
Is it Jimmy Dean's? Not Jimmy Dean's. Jimmy John's. And they be like super fast.
I tried to meet one. It tastes terrible. Really terrible. I can't eat that no more. Made my stomach.
You tried to meet one?
Yes.
Like the meatball. Well, my hubby texts me. The meatball.
No.
What?
I didn't have it. Meatballs.
Where is the parking spot? I'm gonna park here.
I see us. Why does it smoke?
Where you see smoke? Oh, they are cooking.
They have a cooking truck.
I like to park backwards, y'all. I like to park backwards because when it's time to go, God forbid, if we was ever in a situation, we just, you know, we don't gotta see if anybody's behind us or anything. We just go.
Yep.
All right. Dollar Tree. Okay, so we in Dollar Tree. Well, $1.25. And I guess you put the bubbles in here.
Yeah, it had to be a big container.
And then, but they only have pink and that colors. Let me see.
What?
Despicable.
I find it.
Oh, the bubbles right here, you guys. Okay, here's a blue one.
I want blue.
Nyla, seriously?
Yes, I do.
Here, Junior. Okay, everybody got blue.
Yes, go.
And then they have bubbles right here. I'm gonna grab me a pink one.
You could have bubbles too.
Of course, that's what I'm getting at.
Okay.
Is this how it's supposed to look?
Yeah. Mommy, I found some chalk.
Where? Okay.
Whoa.
Let's get chalk. Which one?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Junior, put that back. Last time you got it, you broke it.
What? Oh.
So, Junior, we're going to get chalks. This one. Outdoor chalk. Okay, that's it. That's fine. All right, you guys, put it back. Let's go. Just get your bubbles. Let's go. Oh my God, look at this floor. Let's go. This way. Let's go. Let's go. Here, hold the chalk. It was something else I was supposed to get.
I know.
What?
Something like.
Oh God, kids don't be knowing. They just be saying things. I
Oh,
know.
mommy.
Come on.
Look at these.
Sorry.
These are nice.
That's not what we came for. Junior, let's go. I mean, Nyla, let's go. Oh my goodness. So we got this stuff from Dollar Tree. I'm trying to figure out if we should stay at the house or we should go to the park. Park? Okay, we're going to the park. We're at the park walking. Look at Nyla. They brought your bubbles. All right, here. Junior, come on this side. This side. Go ahead. We gotta go. Where's the park? Right there. So we gotta walk right here. Okay, so we're at this park. Look at Nyla, Lord. Oh, jeez. Junior playing with the bubbles. Swing the wand, Junior. Oh God. Oh Jesus, Lord. Look at her. You know. Jeez. Look at this one just swinging. Okay. What happened? It's not working? You gotta dip it in there. Dip. Oh, you did it, Junior. Do it again. This girl, she don't stop. That's right, Nyla. You go, girl. Woo! Junior, you got this. After this, you guys, we gotta go home and take a bath. Nyla, it's not time to leave yet, but when it's time to go, yes, you would need to take your bath.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
How long will
Junior.
it stay?
Until it's time to go. We have, I think, like 30 minutes before the store closes. Good, Junior.
We just started.
Oh, yes. This is why I need to carry a tripod with me. Let's see how this works. Ooh. Yes.
No, I caught it.
Wow.
Let it go.
I wonder if it's just water and soap.
Yeah, you just make water and soap. Good job. I'm gonna get it. Oh, no.
Nice.
No.
He could play with the bubbles. You could play.
Not mommy.
Oh, Junior. Come this way, Junior. All right, play with your bubbles.
I see one.
Right.
It's gonna pop. Help! Help!
Oh, there's a little child that wants to play with bubbles. I'm going to throw it towards him.
Dada.
I'm having way too much fun. Oh, look at the owl.
We don't see the legs.
Forget the legs. Do you see how it's looking?
Look,
Is it looking at? Oh, yes, it is.
it's looking at us.
Yes.
Ooh, ooh,
I know you lying, Nyla. Talk about some.
ooh.
Girl, if you don't get your hoo-hoo away from me. I can't. I was like, what do y'all want? Yes, it is beauty. Yes, it is beauty near me. Yes. I apply pressure. Yes. So cool. Look, and Junior's trying to blow bubbles. Wow. Pretty cool. Oh, nice, Nyla. Oh my gosh. That was eventful. I am walking. I spent some quality time with my kids. Now I am going to clean the house. Okay, we are home. I'm gonna start cleaning up my living room. I had a little bit of adult juice, so that's gonna help me along the way. I'm gonna probably speed this section up and play some music.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. Get some me time. I don't know if you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Alright, stoves off. Y'all, ooh, I just finished cleaning the living room, the kitchen, mopped, swept, mop. I just finished cleaning the bathroom as well. Now I am going to take a nice shower and rest until my hubby gets home. And I'm just gonna have to order out today because I'm not in the cooking mood. And I need to grocery shop, so I have to do that tomorrow instead of today. So yeah. All right, you guys. Hubby is taking us to Denny's for breakfast. I didn't have to cook, but we are on a time crunch. Walk closer this way. We are on a time crunch because we have to be at night swim lesson at 11:30, and it's now 10 o'clock. So hopefully we're done by 11, so we'll be able to get there on time. It's a little family day.
I want chicken tenders.
You want chicken tenders?
Chicken tenders.
They didn't give us a crayon for the kids. What y'all want? What y'all want? What y'all want? I think I'm gonna do the All-American Slam.
All-American
Or should I do Lumberjack? Which one? All-American Slam or American Jack? All-American Slam
I know.
or American Jack? All-American Slam is the one. Yeah, we're gonna get All-American Slam. Ella wants this for breakfast. Junior wants this for breakfast. And they both, Junior's getting apple juice, right? Yeah. Okay, and Nyla wants, what kind of drink?
Orange juice.
Orange juice, all right. Babe was looking at this. It is really crowded in here, you guys.
This one.
That's what hubby wants, a T-bone steak and eggs. You don't even like eggs. Our drinks are here. What did you order, babe?
Strawberry.
Strawberry, nice. Thank you so much. I have a strawberry banana smoothie. Nyla has orange juice and Junior has apple juice. Now they get to color. Don't drink all your orange juice, Nyla. Oh. We're still waiting for our food. It's really busy in here. Oh. Aw, y'all twinning with your hair. Sort of, kind of, with your braids. Oh. Got the hand sanitizer up. All right, give me your hands, Nyla.
Not too much. Yes, stop. Yes.
Give me your hands, Junior.
Oh, that's good.
Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Oh. Now I gotta do my hands. Just keep it straight. Move your finger. There you go. All right. Turn it off. Our food is here. This is what Junior wants. Damn. Devoured the food. At least me and hubby. Nyla didn't eat her pancakes, but she asked for pancakes. Junior ate some of his. Oh! What happened? I can't hear what he's saying. Oh, he has to use the restroom. Okay. Okay, you guys, we are on our way to Nyla's swim lesson. I had to drop the boys off because my hubby had to use the bathroom, and yeah, they don't really like going, I guess. I don't know, but I love going. So Nyla, we are crunched with time. It's 11:15 and I have to be there at 11:30 or they're gonna start regardless. So we'll see what time we get. We're probably gonna get there exactly at 11:30 or 11:20-ish, 11:28 maybe. But the problem is she has to change into her bathing suit. So that's the time. That's what we're dealing with right now. So yeah. We'll see y'all when we get there. We made it. Okay, you guys, we just left the swim lessons. Nyla is so dramatic.
No.
She needs to work on holding her breath under the water. You should have seen her. She was like this. You should have seen her.
No.
And she was reaching for me. Dramatic.
But I went underwater, and the lady was holding my feet.
Dramatic. She was like, because the water got in her nose. She was breathing in the water. Now we gotta work on that.
No.
Anyway, we're heading to the house stop. When we get to the house, I don't know what we finna do. I just know I need to grocery shop. What else I need to do?
I know.
Do the laundry.
I know. Fold our clothes.
Fold your clothes. Cook. What else?
You could probably go somewhere.
We ain't going nowhere except for the grocery store.
What? Your hair is
Kids.
pushed.
All right, sit back. Put your seatbelt on. That's about it. So I'll see you at the house. That lady was so rude. Anyway, my nails are naked now. She was so upset because I didn't want her to like, why would you do that? Hold on, let me get situated in the car. Hey y'all, I don't know what happened to my audio in this part. I think because my phone was overheating because it's so hot outside. It interfered with my audio. But basically, I was just saying how the nail tech was just being rude and just, ugh. This was my first time actually going to her. I usually go to someone else, but they wasn't available at the time. So I went to the nail place to ask for a soak off. And that's basically when you put your nails in acetone and you soak it for like 10-15 minutes. And then the nail tech will usually drill the acrylic off. And then you repeat this process over and over again until you eventually don't have any more acrylics left. And then, that's when they start, putting polish, treatment, whatever you need on your nails. But this lady insisted on grabbing a fake nail and putting it under the old nails and trying to separate my old nails with the fake acrylic. That was the most painful thing in the world. So anyway, I was like, what is she doing? I was questioning her. I was being polite and nice. And she was like, oh, I'm removing it. This is how we do it. You see, in this part, I was showing you how she was trying to put it underneath my actual nails with the fake nails. Like, what? That is not a soak off. Because let's say we did this method, right? What are we going to soak off? Because your nails is going to be off. The acrylic is going to be off. So what are we soaking off? That was the most... And so when she attempted to do one, my nails was hurting really bad. I was like, no, I can't do this. I never do it this way. First of all, to begin with, she said it was going to be like $10 to do the soak off. Fine. But since she said, I'm not doing that method with the torture pain, it's going to be $15. I'm like, what? I never experienced that in my life, but I really wanted my nails to breathe and to be nail free. So I was just like, whatever. So I just ate that and just paid for it. But it was ridiculous. And then when I paid the lady, I gave her a 20. I gave it to her in her hand. Why she put the 5 on the table? I don't know what's wrong with people, but I thought that was just very rude. Like, I gave you money in your hand. You can't put the money back in my hand? You gonna put it on the table? Like, what kind of nonsense was that? I was really disappointed with my nail appointment, but whatever. So that's basically what I was talking about in this clip right here. Aldi's and Bravo. I went to Aldi's for the other stuff, Bravo's for the meat. Whew, Time to put it away. I am done putting the groceries away. Me and Nyla did it together. So I'm gonna enjoy my Seagram. I got colada. So pretty. I'm gonna enjoy my chocolate, and we're going to hubby come home. I think we're gonna go somewhere else, but I don't know yet. I'm gonna see when he get home to see if it's really gonna happen. All right, y'all, we going to the beach. I have to get ready. All right, you guys, this is the bathing suit I'm gonna wear. I got this from Shein. I love the top. It's a green, and look how different it is. You know, I always like funky, different, new, cute things. So it's a 3-piece. This is the top. This is how the back is. Okay. It comes with the bottom part and then the skirt with it. Super cute. And all this from Shein. I know it was less than $20. Anyway, I got it. That's it. Outfit check.
Baby, never